AWS has a new service called Lightsail, which looks pretty reasonable for the servers. So I'm going to set one up as a test box to test some Python code in real time. So you have an account. You need an AWS account. It knows that I'm here, US East 2. And we're going to want to launch a virtual machine, not with EC2, but build using virtual servers with Lightsail. That's what we want. 2 minutes it says. We'll see. Now, the instance location, they're going to tell me Montreal. We don't want that. I want the one I think that's in Ohio is closest. Because if you look over here, here is Aurora, Chicago, which is where the CME is. Montreal's up here. Ohio's here. Virginia's here, but I think the data center is more around here. So Ohio is probably the closest. So we'll take.
No, well, that's with me and your party. Your power level 22.
Ohio?
Okay. I have to complete a medbot.
We want Windows.
What's a medbot?
I think this is going to be around $40 a month. It's $20 a month Linux, but we have a lot of custom code that has never been tested on Linux. Not the Python stuff runs on Linux. Sierra runs on Linux, but we have this interoperability middleware that I've never tested. So I'll stick with a Microsoft just because we don't want to. I don't know of any material difference between 16 and R2. And I think the bare minimum we need here is 4 gigs, 2 CPUs for testing. That's fine. It's pretty efficient stuff. And this is fine. Look at that. How amazing is this? So this is a good box. I don't know how do you click it.
Oh, you're right.
There we go. You have to upgrade like that.
I know, Parker, you said it already.
So this is going to be
Ride the lightning? Or do you want to fight storm? I know, Parker. 28 plus 28. Choose.
I don't know what tags are. We're not going to add any tags.
This one? Sure.
We don't need a database on that. We don't need networking. We may at some point if we add services to that. External servers, there's no additional storage, no snapshot. Let's just create the instance. Oh, here we go. Here's administrator, show default. I won't do that. We'll block it out. All right, it'll be a little bit, but that's pretty straightforward. $40 a month. I think it's a good deal. It's not co-located, but pretty straightforward.